back in the Maxima. Now I do have an exhaust, so let's see if you can hear it. Well, this is my 09 Maxima. This is the sport and tech package. So I got the GPS, got my paddle shifters here. It is a CVT transmission, so there's limits to what you can do with it. I mean, to me, I like it. I find it fun. I mean, with the fake gears and all, you know, you downshift like if it's any other normal car, and you just floor it. And the way that CVT, I mean, the car pulls, you know. You drop it down a gear. I mean, the CVT is not that bad. Now, a lot of people have been asking me what type of exhaust do I have, if it's tuned, if you know what's going on with the car. So the car, it has just a muffler lead. No, I use the paddle shifters a lot. It is a CVT transmission, but it's not, you know, it's not that bad. It's not awful. We all prefer to have a 6-speed, but you know, you do what you can with what you have. I race it a lot. Now the car was on BC coilovers. So let's do a quick pull here. Let's see. I mean, it's a quick car for what it is, you know. Not that bad. All right, let's take this road here. There's a back road. It's pretty fun. Get it once in a while. Now my car was on BC coilovers. I since then took them off. I'm planning on doing a whole different setup. I don't know which type. I don't know if bags. I just might probably just go back to coilovers, but a different type. This thing handle like if it was on rails, like for how big of a car it is, and even on stock suspension is still fun. Let's see if we can do a little launch here. Okay, so. Here, let's see if we can do that again real quick. Make sure nobody comes. Let's see. So yeah, I drive the car pretty hard. almost every day I go out, it's just something in me. I just love to drive this car to its limits. Thank God till this day it hasn't really given me any issues. So yeah guys, like I was saying, the car right now is on stock suspension, it's on stock wheels. Had to take my odd hands off as well, but what's next for this car is gonna be even better. So yeah, like you guys saw, I did a pretty short back road, you know, exhaust videos, launch, just so you guys can pretty much see how loud the car is. But yeah, the car has been good to me, other than the things I mentioned before. It does have 177,000 miles. But yeah, transmission works fine, engine, motor works fine. It rides comfortably. Now with the BC coilovers that I had, it was better in the stock suspension, to be honest. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of the car so far. What should I do to it? What would you guys like to see? Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe. Plenty more content coming. Stay tuned. A lot more things coming to the car. We're gonna drop it again. We're gonna put wheels on it again. We're gonna do so much to it. You guys are gonna be, this is just gonna be awesome. I'm gonna try to keep you guys updated on everything I do to the car. Comment, like, subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you next time.